Patok ngayon sa social media ang live streaming from business to showcasing contents. Kaya naman, sa ginanap na Gala Night, ipinakilala ang mga natatanging live streamers sa bansa. Panoorin natin ito.
Ang mabilis na pag-unlad ng teknolohiya ay ang isa ring dahilan ng pagbabago sa kung paano natin ine-entertain ang ating mga sarili. Ang iba sa atin ay tumatambay sa social media o kaya naman ay sa mga streaming platforms, especially ang mga live streaming platforms. Ayon sa teleprompter.com, as of late 2024, tinatayang nasa 28.5% ng internet users worldwide ang nanonood ng live streams every week, making live streaming a booming global industry ngayong 2025. Kaugnay niyan ay dumalo ang RSP sa Gala Night ng isa sa top live streamers agency sa Pilipinas, ang Archangels Agency, kung saan inirampa ng mahigit 200 attendees na members rin ng nasabing agency ang kanilang mga pasabog na costumes.
Tonight is a first gala night and our concept is United Nations. We're trying to replicate actually the concept of the Miss Universe, that they can present their national costumes.
Ang gabing iyon ay isang selebrasyon at pagbibigay ng pagkilala sa mga katangi-tanging streamers ng kanilang agency na nagsusumikap na mag-live araw-araw upang umangat ang kanilang pamumuhay at makatulong sa kanilang pamilya.
One of my top streamers is making around 300,000 pesos a month. Yes. That's why most of them, this is their bread and butter. Bread and butter. And we're here to help, not only, handle hosts, but also to help people just like them. We have like working students. We have they use it as a profession as well as their job.
Kaya kung ikaw ay nag-iisip na pumasok sa industriyang ito, narito ang ilang tips para sa iyo.
Actually, the streaming platforms, you don't have to like sing and dance as long as you have this entertainment, character na nakapagpapasaya ka sa mga viewers mo. Then that's it, you don't have to be like a professional singer or dancers. All you have to do is just be yourself, entertain people, build relationship, and then do friendship with these people. Those people na nag-aalaga ng kanilang magulang, ng anak, pwede kayong mag-work from home. That's one thing. Second, you don't have to go outside as long as you have established internet. Even you have you don't have a decent background, as long as you can entertain people and magsalita lang na magsalita, mag-entertain. Basically, that's a streamer already.
Maraming benepisyo ang maaring makuha sa entertainment live streaming. Nagiging tulay ito sa pagtuklas ng mga bagong digital stars. Nakakatulong ito sa ekonomiya at nakakagawa rin ng maraming job opportunities.